What's up, everybody? TJ here with HodgeRods Speed Shop, and on this episode we take Mom's farm truck that we fixed up in the earlier episodes and we give it a quick update. She doesn't have the mud tires on it anymore, and we're gonna fix all of that ugliness. We got these wheels for free. We're gonna clean them up and make them work. It's got some old school mud tires on it, just some blank white wagon wheels. We are gonna clean them up and make them beautiful. Man, if you are gonna do the card trick for masking your wheels off, try not to pick the windiest spot possible. Thomas. For the door logo, I just drew up an old school design that I wanted and had a local vinyl shop print out a stencil. And I just used like an old dried up paintbrush and various wire brushes to give it that aged look. Big thanks to the 3 of y'all that actually watched this, and I will see y'all on the next one.